I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. If you like the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. So before I start putting it together, I always make sure the screw is back far enough. You can look down the little square here, and if you see it, you just want to back it up till it's not there anymore. So then it will not stop your spit from going through. Once you have those ready, you're going to take the spit to one side, and then you want to stop just below the notch. You don't want it on the notch because you need that for it to spin in the air fryer. And once you have it past it, you're just going to tighten your screw to hold it in place. And we're going to do this on the other side. Just past it, tighten it up. Now you're ready to put your skewers on. So if you have food on the skewers, you're gonna want to be skipping as you go. This will help keep the wheels from rolling down your counter, and it keeps it balanced. Also, when you're putting food on, you're gonna be needing to squeeze this to get it on. So don't put your food past that point. I always give it a little squeeze when I'm sliding my first piece on so it stops right there. Then you're gonna take the pointed end, put it in the first hole you have, and then give a little squeeze and twist, and it clips right in. And then you're gonna move to the two over and keep doing that till they're all filled. I do recommend using your retrieval tool to take it in and out a few times while it is cool, just so you don't accidentally burn yourself and you know what to do when it is done cooking. Once you do take it out of the air fryer and it's all done, I get a pair of grippers and I hold one end with it, with the gripper, and then I twist and slide the first one off. At this point, I take a fork and I will run it right down to push everything off, unless you're gonna eat it off the skewer, which you can do it that way. But you just would keep working your way around and take them off. Pretty easy. If you want to learn more about the air fryer or the skewer set, I have a 101 video and a few cooking videos using the skewers. Links for those will be in the description, as well as a link for the skewer set. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.